Kasi medyo kumalat sa friends sa showbiz na, oh, you guys aren't having sex before marriage. And so another friend asked her later on, how would you describe your honeymoon? And she said, it was shameless. Like after years of being in different relationships, for the first time, I'm able to do this and not have nothing to be
It felt
ashamed of.
right. Kasi di ba pag alam mo naman na nasa tama ka, wala kang kinahihiya. If there is a problem with sexual intimacy, you might want to look into a deeper root to why you have a problem getting there. Kasi like for us, when we had our entire, that was parang years yun na may nangyayari sa amin maritally na hindi namin na-figure out pa kasi sometimes when you're going through a problem, hindi naman talaga na-pinpoint, right? So, when we are going through something very, very deep in our hearts, it also affected our sexual intimacy. How do you even enjoy intimacy and for us when my heart felt so far from him? Kasi it's in the book also, I said to him, I no longer feel like you're my friend. So if your husband is not like your friend anymore, how can you have sex? So yun lang. Kasi parang naging burden ko siya ng slight because naririnig ko yung ibang tao na parang it's just so hard for me to get intimate with my husband, ganyan. And it's because I can see may sakit sa puso mo eh. May gusto kang meron kang gustong sabihin dyan at gusto mong ma-deal yan para magawa mo ng tama yung other parts of you as a...
For the husbands naman, about the wives, one thing I appreciate about Carla is when we had a talk and I explained to her that for men, wanting to have sex, it's not just a bodily function. Where it's a way of feeling close, it's a way of feeling connected, and hindi necessarily manyak agad yung lalaki for wanting to have sex that often. And one of the things men look for in their wives is responsiveness. I want to be enthusiastic about this. And I really appreciate that from her. Talking to me, like that's her showing me love. So I think like in anything in marriage, both sides can really work to serve the other. And in doing so, allow me to be a loving husband or wife to my partner. And I thank you, Lord, that as we trust you, even if just one party in the marriage first trusts you with this, that you come in and you make all things new. You renew, you heal, you restore, you give life, Lord, you resurrect. And we're excited, God, for what the future will hold for our families as a result.